Alrighty guys, I've got an exciting one here. This is the Bobcat T66 with the heavy duty Bobcat brush cutter. It is a 74-inch brush cutter, and today we're going to be doing some land brush clearing back here in the forest here near the dry creek and pond that we've got going on. As you can see here, all of this used to be trees, used to be a forest right here, and this thing put in some work yesterday. So we're gonna do some more work in the back. Obviously I didn't do these humongous ass stumps. These stumps were kind of hidden behind or underneath volunteer trees and other trees that had popped up. A lot of this you can see what we did, chop up with it and cut down. So far I have zero complaints on that attachment or the T66. Love them both. So we're not going to go from this side just yet. We're going to go around the pond here and around over here and get on that side and kind of clear some, like a path along this dry creek here. For now, that's what I want to do, is clear a little bit of that and a little bit of that side over there. So let's get going on it. See the damage we did. Came through, cleared all this out. Look at us go. Now we got a lot of brush in the dry creek. We'll pull out with the root grapple and MT100. But man, I think the nieces and nephews, we could build them a little hideaway cabin back here, a little clubhouse or something. Stopped over here. We have a cottonwood that fell, and it's gonna be blocking my path further up there. So, oh shit, I just fell down a hole. Got a lot of those around here. Pretty cool. But just a nice little nook. Don't need to get rid of all of it. We like having this the trees separating sections of the property. It makes it feel much bigger than it really is. And yeah, well, at least this should help control the ticks some, maybe, right? But next, we're going to go on this side of the dry creek and start clearing a path this way. I don't know how far down we'll go. We'll go down as far as we can that way and clear a lot of that up, and I'll set the tripod up for this part. But thus far, guys, this thing is a beast. This whole setup is a beast. I love it. Absolutely love it. Up and hitting it again to kind of let the blades wind back up and give me some more of that. Daddy. Oopsies, forgot to turn the aux on. There we go. Well, cliff here I wasn't really aware of, and I had thought it just went kind of smoothly back towards this part of our property. It looks like we might have a change of plans on what we do here. I could open this up. Get to this side. Down. This is our wildflower preserve area. Mom's gonna kill me. That changes things up, and I probably shouldn't go too crazy. Alright, here is what I found that I didn't know was there. And this huge little, maybe hard to tell on the camera, but this is a decent drop down. You probably saw me almost fall in it. So yeah, it kind of changes things. Didn't want to take out any of this, but I did, and got my way over here. This is like this is the back of, part of the back of our property. We let wildflowers and things grow back here. Kind of have a trail mode in it. Our berm is back there where we do some shooting. So now I need to think of how I want to do this, because that is all thick. Brush, easy to cut through, that's not the problem. It's just how do I want to make that trail come around. So I guess in the meantime we could probably clear this stuff out, because this needs to be mowed down too. So let's do that and backtrack. So we didn't get everything done I wanted to today. I was really wanting to get some more stuff cleared over there by that little pond, but went ahead and mowed all this down. A lot of poison ivy and a bunch of stuff cut down. Here's the creek we have back here. Much lower right now just because it rained in a couple days. For now, this is what we're gonna do. Focus on the side we can reach. And I think I backed into this a little bit and nicked that down here. But yeah, I think that'll be it for now. I gotta find my phone. Hopefully I didn't mow over it.